Jamaica's premier local cricket competition has a new name and a new sponsor. The Jamaica Cricket Association has rebranded its top tournament as the Michael Holding Senior Cup, honoring the legendary West Indies fast bowler. The announcement came at Tuesday's press launch at Kingston Cricket Club. In a video message, Michael Holding expressed his full support for the tournament.
I'm hoping that this Senior Cup going forward will continue to grow large crowds, will continue to produce some top-class cricketers to represent Jamaica. We need a Senior Cup that is vibrant. We need a Senior Cup that is well supported by the fans and by sponsors, and let's hope we can look forward to that. Now, thank you again very much for associating my name with the Senior Cup. Michael Holding Senior Cup. Never thought it would ever happen. I never even dreamt about that when I was a young man playing cricket. Thanks again and good luck.
Cricket Operations Manager O'Neill Cruikshank outlined the competition's format.
The Michael Holding Senior Cup, all of us have to get used to that, eh? The Michael Holding Senior Cup competition begins on the 15th of March. This year, the teams will be in zones of 4, so we will have all 24 teams taking part. So we will have 6 zones of 4, and the competition will be played as a double round robin, which means every team gets to play each other twice on a home and away basis. Having said home and away basis, the board of the JCA has decided that we need to take a look at the standards under which some of the venues are operating, and we may decide that if those standards are not at the minimum level, teams may have to play their matches away from home for this year. So in the preliminary round, we will have, as I said, 6 preliminary rounds. And then we move to the quarterfinals. There'll be 8 teams in the quarterfinals, and those 8 teams will be made up of the 6 zone winners and who we determine to be the best 2 second-place finishers. Your playing condition that you will get will help you to understand how the best 2 second-place finishers will be determined, and those teams will then compete in the quarterfinals.
The Jamaican right-arm fast bowler Michael Holding is described as one of West Indies' greatest ever players in their greatest ever era. His run-up is described as long but nonchalant. His delivery stride smooth yet explosive. His release languid but deadly. Mr. Holding was part of a quartet of West Indies fast bowlers called the Awesome Foursome, who came together in the late 1970s under the legendary leadership of Clive Lloyd.